Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Lisa with your kick-ass news flash of what's up at American Eagle. What's happening this weekend? It is Hog Days. That's right. Our kick-ass hog chapter is going to be here and have so many kick-ass events planned for you. First of all, they're going to be grilling. They're going to be serving up some nice cold frosty beverages. Beverages. Maybe I had a few before I started rolling with this one. We'll wait and see. But bike games, I don't know if you remember last year, I think they did a keg roll, they had the slow ride, they had the weenie bite. What are they going to do this year? You have to wait and find out. Everything starts at 11 here at American Eagle. We have the Beerman's going to be here, Brian Hauser. So we're so excited to have him back on stage. If you have not seen him, he is awesome. And then, of course, we're going to be having our free test rides. Come check out our 26 Harley-Davidsons. Come take a test ride, get a free gift. Maybe take one home or two. We have a showroom full of used bikes as well that will be outside. Remember, our front entrance is being under construction because they're putting the canopy. Everything's getting erected. So we're going to be back partying on the side of the dealership. So make sure you go check us out over there. Like I said, they're going to be grilling. They've got test rides. We have mileage validations for rolling or for Ride for Heroes. Oh my gosh, I can't even talk today. You would think that we just had a three-way weekend and we spent too much time doing this. I can attest that I had nothing to do with any of that. Anyways, so this weekend, Saturday, Hog Days, AEHOG chapter. Find out what HOG is all about. It is the world's largest riding group. We will see you Saturday. Everything starts at 11.